Oh, she's almost done, bro.
You read the video title correctly. But now hold on, before you get mad at me and unsubscribe, it's all gonna be okay. I swapped the engine already. This was filmed kind of a while ago. The engine's already been replaced, but pretty much all you need to know was my previous engine had basically committed the oil sump delete. I'll explain later. So the car was not getting any oil. It was about to blow up. And ironically, my buddy Chris, his N52 was also about to blow up. So we decided we were gonna send them off with a bang, and we were going to race our broken N52s.
Hey guys, it's Craig Beamer. Today, as you probably already know it by this point, my N52 has suffered catastrophic damage and it's not getting any oil. So we're about to send it off with a bang, and ironically, his engine too.
We got some good lifter kick going on over here. Let's see if
That sounds good. That sounds very good.
Yeah, she's mint.
So, a ton of knocking versus no oil. We're gonna see who's gonna last longer.
yeah, good stuff.
All right, bro.
Alright.
No AC in this bitch.
No AC up in this bitch.
See, it still sounds pretty alright.
Sounds fucking great. Fucker sounds mint. Here, let me just buckle up.
As you saw in the last clip, my 325i greatly benefited in the 0 to 60 time with the oil sump delete, but it was going to be a tough matchup against the lifter tick 325i. In preparation for a straight line race, Chris turned to me and said he was going to warm up his tires.
Oh, she's almost done, bro. Let's push you in reverse. Try and
get a little pop start on it. I bet she's got it. It has a funny smell to it, doesn't it? Oh.
You all that compression being going? Try and start it out.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna go with no.
Oh yeah, she's done.
It smells terrible.
It does.
It started smoking right out the exhaust and everything.
Did it? I felt it break up and then I heard.
Yeah, I did hear it.
For one second there, it sounded like it was gonna. Oh, she's locked up.
I think so too. Oh yeah, your starter's smoking.
Yeah, you're getting a little smoke out of it.
We should probably stop doing that. Well, she's done.
She's toast.
She's done. I was hoping we'd get more out of it.
I thought we'd warm the tires up, and it didn't take fast warming the tires up. That's all. That's fucking surprising. I need those Van House solenoids for the 335. I need them.
Alright, I'm gonna do like the same shit.
I bet.
I want to get a good fucking 0 to 60. See how fast it does it.
This was great. It was not.
Are we clear? Oh.
Oh.
No way.
Come on. Is your battery dead?
Yeah, now the battery's struggling.
God, you got double cables?
I do have cables.
You have cables?
I do.
Yo, try and pop in reverse when we get going.
You're good.
Dude, you went flying.
Yeah, I did.
I was not ready.
I was waiting for it. I'm glad I caught myself like that. I would have ate shit.
All right, how do you feel about this start right here?
I hope it fucking works.
I hope it fucking
Because
works.
if we both just fucking blew them that easy,
That's not looking good for the N52.
That'd be pretty depressing.
Well, two blown engines didn't last long. What the hell, N52? God damn it. Jeez.
I can't even run without one.
Yeah, can't even lift or tick. Oh, it might have done it that.
This is that restart. It might have done it. Get. Cheese toasted!
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Gotta get the insurance.
Yep, gotta get them coming. Tow truck's gonna pull up. Which BMW is it?
So unfortunately, I was not able to get my N52 to start again. The motor would spin, but the cheap-ass battery I had was having a hard time keeping up. But in the meantime of waiting for roadside assistance, we decided to try Chris's car a few more times.
Oh, we got 10. Woo! Should pop start it now. Almost worked. Think it'll turn over? Let's get back up to 10.
Don't you gotta like press start when you do it too?
No, you just. Did you hear me give it gas? It almost worked.
It honestly almost did.
It almost just gave the life. Let's get back up to 10.
Maybe both of ours will keep going.
Oh my gosh, is it gonna come back? Pumping the gas up. Full throttle.
Spins a little bit. It's not
It
completely
almost
seized.
had it. Full throttle. I'm gonna go with no. I don't know if it's worth another try. I might as well keep the speed.
We're zooming now.
Oh, we got.
No way.
No.
Oh,
way.
Jesus Christ.
No way, dude.
What the fuck?
Go. Beamer! Oh my god. Cows are like, what the fuck happened, dude?
Dude, that was dope.
It's the ultimate
going. I did not
BMW
think it would
experience.
Well, now we're broken.
No throttle, nothing.
Ooh, that's some fucking damn smoke bomb. You can't see me.
I was thinking it was gonna go.
I thought it was gonna make it.
Jeez. Jesus.
I don't think it's gonna run after that one.
I was really hoping it would.
I thought we were making it up that hill. This is not a good spot.
Like that.
Seems like a perfectly good BMW.
Honestly, yeah.
There's a leaf in the engine. Josh put a leaf in the engine.
True. That's what done it.
Let it run afterwards.
Oh, that might fix it. You never know.
Let's see what happens here.
Like, please just let me fucking die.
We're waiting for the tow truck on mine. And honestly, I'm a little disappointed how underwhelming all this went. I'm gonna try and get it to go in a few days and then catastrophically blow it up.
The BMW experience.
I see the problem here. The problem is... Oh, here's the problem right here. Looks like we got a flat tire. That's why it won't work.
Yeah, that'll do it.
So this was slightly underwhelming, but... So now I just gotta improvise. I gotta do some gymnastics or something. is this? What is this? We only waited like an hour and 20 probably. There's two black BMWs. I see the one you're talking about now. What's the odds? There's two broken BMWs.
Now I tried and tried and tried again to get this engine to start so I could blow it up properly for the camera. I even took the spark plugs out and poured oil into the cylinders to try and build compression, but nothing happened, so that was too bad. But it doesn't matter at this point. You're probably wondering, what happened to my car? Well, I broke the car in probably the dumbest way possible, but in the end, it all works out. Long story short, I've been kind of somewhat neglecting the car. I've been letting it leak oil and just been topping it off instead of addressing the leak. And being a 2006, a lot of things were starting to just get old and break. For example, my vacuum pump didn't work, my power steering didn't work, my AC compressor didn't work, and all sorts of other things too. It needed a clutch, a flywheel, all sorts of stuff on top of the oil pan profusely leaking. Now, most importantly to this story, I did not have an e-brake. I deleted it last year because one of the mounts broke. So what happened was I parked on a hill and I parked in gear. With the engine off, the car rolled backwards a little bit because I did not put it in low enough of a gear as I should have. My mistake. So after that high intelligence move, I parked it in a proper gear and then didn't think anything of it. I came back to the car a little bit later, started it, and it made an awful sound and the oil pressure light came on. Basically what happened was the oil sump had disconnected from the chain and then starting it had damaged some other things as well. So after a few days of contemplating, I decided instead of messing around with internals, dealing with an engine that already had a lot of other problems that needed to be addressed and was pretty high mileage, that I would just replace and start new. Being that N52s aren't too expensive, I figured it would be a great learning opportunity for myself as well as a great opportunity to make a ton of new content, and on top of that have a new engine with less miles with all new parts. So that's what I ended up doing, and I filmed a good majority of the process just to demonstrate all the work that I did. And now that it's done, the N52 is back and better than ever. So of course, there's tons of N52 stuff on the way. Over the next month or so, I will upload some videos documenting the process of the motor swap as well as some other stuff too. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and yeah, thanks.